We guide you through how to fix Samsung battery drain quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to open settings, tap battery, then check which apps are using the most power and then uninstall or restrict any apps you rarely use. Next, enable power saving mode when you don't need maximum performance. Go to settings, display, and lower your screen brightness or turn on adaptive brightness. Then, reduce your screen time out to 30 seconds. After that, disable feature you are not using, such as Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and mobile hotspot, because they can drain your battery in the background. Open settings, battery, then enable adaptive battery to limit power usage from app you don't use often. Also make sure your phone and apps are updated by going to settings, software update, since updates often includes battery optimization improvements. If the problem started after installing a new app, restart your phone in safe mode to check whether a third-party app is causing the issue.